Hello, second grade. We're going to review subtraction, and we're going to practice regrouping in subtraction. One strategy is to use the expanded form. So I'm going to stretch out both of these numbers using their place values. I know in the first column I have hundreds, in the middle column I have tens, and in the last column I have ones. So I'm going to stretch out my hundreds first in 462. I have 4 hundreds, so I wrote it as 400. Now I'm going to use the addition symbol to add in my tens. I have 6 tens, and I write that as 60. Now I'm going to add in my ones. I have 2 ones. Now I'm going to stretch out my bottom number. I have 2 hundreds. I have 9 tens and 6 ones. Now I'm ready to subtract. I cannot subtract 2 minus 6. So I'm going to go next door and get some more. I'm going to get some more so that my top number is larger than my bottom number. So I'm going to go next door and I'm going to get a 10. So if I get a 10 from 60, he's going to drop down to 50. Now I'm going to give the 10 to the ones. 10 plus 2 is 12. Now I can subtract. 12 minus 6. I can use my strategies of my doubles facts to help me. I know that 6 plus 6 is 12. So 12 minus 6 is 6. Now I'm going to add those ones to the tens that I'm going to subtract. I cannot subtract 50 minus 90. The tens are not big enough on top. So I'm going to go next door and get some more. I'm going to go over to the hundreds and I'm going to get 100. It's not 400 anymore. He's going to drop down to 300. And that 100 is going to go over here to the 50. 100 plus 50 is 150. Now I can subtract. I'm going to use my strategies. And one strategy is to forget the zeros and think about what I can add to 9 to get 15. So if I have the subtraction problem, 15 minus 9, I might know what plus 9 equals 15, and it's 6. So 150 minus 90 is 60. Now I'm going to add that to the hundreds that I'm going to subtract. 300 minus 200 is 100. Now I'm going to put my hundreds, tens, and ones together to get my difference. 166. And that's how you regroup in subtraction using the expanded form.